Welcome to the Embassy of Pakistan in Washington, D.C., where an extraordinary cultural evening unfolded, celebrating the beauty and depth of Islamic calligraphy. This exclusive exhibition marked the inaugural event of the Pakistan Arts, Crafts, and Literature series, a collaboration between the Pakistan Embassy and Hummingbird Film Studios Incorporated. The star of the evening was Aisha Kamal, a renowned modern Islamic calligrapher whose journey from Lahore, Pakistan, to the world stage is nothing short of inspiring. Known for blending ancient traditions with contemporary techniques, Aisha's work is a profound expression of faith, culture, and artistry. This event marked a significant milestone in her US art tour, where she continues to captivate diverse audiences with her talent. Pakistan's ambassador to the United States, Rizwan Said Sheikh, opened the evening with a heartfelt speech, sharing the historical roots and cultural significance of Islamic calligraphy.
Ms. Aisha Kamal, the artist whose work is being displayed today. We have this opportunity to hold the inaugural event. Now, calligraphy has evolved and perhaps is identified more than anything else with the spiritual side of our religion, Islam. But then, even apart from through its evolution to modern times, it has certainly.
This script is Khat-e Shikasta.
Right.
Khat-e Shikasta.
So all these are different variants of the script as well. This particular script is Khat-e Shikasta.
Highlighting the contributions of iconic Pakistani artists like Said Quain and Ustad Allah Bakhsh, the ambassador emphasized the importance of preserving this ancient art form. A truly memorable moment was when the ambassador, alongside Aisha Kamal, personally guided attendees through the gallery. Together, they brought the art to life, translating the essence of each painting and creating a deeply personal and enriching experience for the audience. Aisha Kamal's journey is a powerful testament to women's empowerment. Her art, rooted in tradition yet reimagined for modern times, has transcended borders to inspire audiences worldwide. From Pakistan to Washington, D.C., Aisha's work has become a symbol of resilience, creativity, and global recognition for Pakistani women artists. The event welcomed a diverse audience, including diplomats, U.S. government officials, cultural enthusiasts, and members of the Pakistani American community. Notable guests, such as Harrison Atkins, Foreign Affairs Officer at the Office of Pakistan Affairs, and Arturo Hines, Deputy Director of the U.S. Department of State's Bureau of South and Central Asian Affairs, expressed admiration for Aisha's work and discussed opportunities to expand its reach across the United States.
Aisha's paintings have been exhibited globally, receiving widespread acclaim. She has also been featured on international channels like BBC and has been documented and interviewed extensively.
Aisha Kamal expressed heartfelt gratitude, saying, "I am overwhelmed by the love and support I received tonight."
I would like to thank the ambassador of Pakistan, Mr. Rizwan Said Sheikh, for giving me this great opportunity. I also want to thank Hummingbird Film Studios, especially Verzon Press Stage, Mr. Zegam Abbas, and Kelly Gold.
My deepest thanks go to the Pakistan Embassy, Ambassador Rizwan Said Sheikh, and the entire audience who made this evening unforgettable. Art has the power to unite, to inspire, and to transcend boundaries. Tonight, I felt that power in its purest form. The event's success was a collaborative effort. Umar John, CEO of Hummingbird Film Studios Incorporated. This evening is a testament to the power of collaboration and dedication. My deepest thanks to the Pakistan Embassy, especially Ambassador Rizwan Said Sheikh, Zegam Abbas, and Kelly Goldberg, for their incredible support and efforts. Aisha Kamal's passion and talent continue to inspire us all. Kelly Goldberg, reflecting on the event, added, it was an honor to help create such a meaningful experience. This is just the beginning of something truly special for Pakistani art on the global stage. With the success of this exhibition, plans are already underway for Aisha Kamal's US art tour. Upcoming stops include exclusive exhibitions, private auctions, and workshops where Aisha will showcase her techniques and explore new styles of calligraphy. Confirmed venues include Orlando and New York, with more updates to come. Stay tuned through Aisha Kamal's official website and social media platforms, as well as Hummingbird Film Studios, for future events and opportunities to experience her inspiring work firsthand. This landmark event not only celebrated the depth of Pakistani culture but also showcased the power of art to build bridges and foster connections. Aisha Kamal is currently in discussions with various states and cities across the United States to organize exclusive exhibitions, with Hummingbird Film Studios Incorporated working tirelessly to bring her inspiring work to diverse audiences nationwide. Exciting plans are already underway, including a collaboration with American University in Washington, D.C., and her upcoming exclusive exhibition at the Turkish Cultural Center, Diyanet Center of America, in Maryland. Thank you for joining us as we continue to promote the beauty of Islamic art on the global stage.